Hello everyone. This video copy this unusable strap. Also the process of making watch strap from Adobe Illustrator from design to sample. I'm Kuhn Wood. Bring your special experience of craft. The strap divided in 3 parts. A spacer inside the strap, the part 1. 7 holes in the middle, the part 2, and the end, part 3. Measure the whole strap. Set range with 118.21. Load this oblong. Line thickness is 0.1. So let's disturb when apply. Zoom in so you can see clearly. The part 1 spacer in the lesser strap gauged 50. Also an oblong marked. Part 3, the end with curve. The range at 27. Part 2, the middle range is 42 with 7 holes. Put them at the right position. The diameter of hole is 2 mm. Create a hole. Copy for 7 times. Put 2 holes at both sides. The right 5 in the middle. Uniform distribution. Group the 7 holes. Adjust distribution, not the 7 holes in correct position. Delete the auxiliary oblong. Adjust the height to 18. Now, how to create an end curve? Punch the end stitch on a piece of leather. Scan the leather. Get a photo. Lock the photo. Use pen, copy the end curve. Put the curve at the right position. Measure the corner point of stitch at the width of 13. Make a range Trim the line. Delete the needless line. Connect the line together, the strap end down. Now connect each range together. Delete unwanted lines. Connect with curve together on one side. For ensure symmetric, you can copy the curve, transform axial symmetry at horizontal. You can get a mirror of same line. Connect together. All connected. Now make a reverse letter at the top. Copy another strip. Give an oblong ridge with width at 50 mm. Zoom in. Cut the line. Delete the useless line under the guide oblong. You get a wound. Mirror vertical. Connect with the strap so the reverse lacer can coincide the strap well. Now create the stitch line for sewing. The punch thickness is 1.4. The interval between edge and the thread is 2 mm, so the punch line is 3.4. Feather the pass, offset pass. Input minus 3.4. Get a full curve. Now, you started line tall. The dotted line, 2.2 mm, means the thread passed. The gap, 0.5 mm, means the thread through. Let appear where the stitch punch, accurately and clearly. Adjust the dotted curve. You can see somewhere the line is missing. Cut the curve at the corner. Apply this button. Keep accurately. The curve finished. This corner, apply the 5 diameter circle punch here. Only this hole is 0.5. Make the spacer inside the strap. Copy a model. Transform the full line. One millimeter offset pass. Only keep inside the line. Close the space. Connect. You get the spacer. Make 6 locating holes near the strap. The locating holes can keep spacer in correct position. Is very important. Six holes around, grouped. Copy. Transform horizontal. Get the pattern used at fresh side of lacer. Now you get 3 parts of strap. The pattern used at upper, The pattern used at fresh side and spacer. Another strap. Pattern skills are same and more easy. So, when you get here, you can make it yourself. That's the final pattern. Print on 60 gram transfer paper. Now you can make strap with this paper. Adobe Illustrator and transfer paper, which pattern design system I taught so much time in Chinese in last 3 years, but in English is first time. How to choose leather? The similar ballonier has tannins and vegetable tentacle skin and has the mud. Use an edge skewer. Peel the flesh side. The has the mud, very difficult to husk. Is soft, unsuitable to apply. The ballonier, easy to do. The skewer can work well. The leather is suitable. Also the has tannins and the gold skin are fit. Some special tools sold to you. The edge skewer, metal to make strap. Get the correct thickness. The scalpel is very useful to make a tiny slope. Choose this inclined blade. Well vision at any details. The vise forming the shape. And edge plate. 2.7 mm breaking chisel. Thickness is the key of success of making watch straps. Measure accurately. The outside leather 1 mm. The inside leather 0.5 to 1 mm is suitable. The loop must reach 0.5 mm. The spacer top high point is 2.5 mm. Thickness, leather, and location are 3 key points of making strap. Cut off a piece of leather. More wise can carry the loop stability, so you can cut the bloodline smoothly. Use edge skewer, just in the middle range. Suitable leather works well and smoothly. Keep husking until the thickness reach 1 mm. Skewer to 6 mm. These specs can keep sharper, keep durable, and less strength. When you cut the leather, the direction of leather must be considered. The gold skin struck horizontal, a little transform appear. Struck vertical, less transform. So, cut vertical is correct. Now adhere tailing wood. The tailing direction must be considered as gold skin. Near the spring bar, keep blank. So the bar can cut reverse just right. The pattern of fresh side. Cut off the position of spacer at the locating oblong. Outside the bloodline, adhere with double side tab. Cohere the leather. The spacer, save 3 sides. The top, use scalpel, adjust the shape. Cohere the spacer in the locating oblong. Then punch 6 holes on the leather, the locating holes down. Collapse on a Starbucks bottle, forming the shape some movement. The inner leather, a piece of soft gold skin, shaved with scalpel at the top. Brush jaw slide. Keep upper blank, so the reverse leather can deal with after this procedure. Also, other trim will be done after this step. So brush slide. Adhere the inner side leather. The reverse side keep coincide with the top of spacer. Roll up on the bottle, waiting dry. After dry, the pattern of upper side. 6 locating holes keep coincide accurately on the 6 holes on the leather. Now the spacer is just in the middle of the strap. Deal with the pattern. Only 1.5 mm punched. End puncture, cut. Printing chisel, guide by the pattern, cut. Now the upper will down. Cut the bloodline. Enough wise can keep ruler stability, so cut will be easy. Deal with the upper reverse leather. Use scalpel, shave. Roll up on a steel stick. Then the reverse leather formed. Use wise. Keep the shape on one side. A clip nip the other side, waiting for jaw dry. Rive separate the tail. Shave one set of leather, then adhere together. So, why brush jaw slide? That's the reason. Before edge paint, heat up the edge. The stamps cannot disorder. Edge paint 2 times. Real dry. Rub with soft wax and 5,000 mesh set paper. The whole details how to deal perfect edge paint. Hello everyone. I sold all stamps at my last video. Double color leather, double color thread, double color peel edge coating. The final result of painted. The coating is high intensity, left less imprint after use. After edge paint, the other strap load 2 loops. The loops leather must shift to 0.5 mm, so floated thickness is just reach 1 mm. Control the vise at 5 mm. Loops loaded. Also roll up with a steel stick. Clip with the vise. An electric wire close to the stick, so the leather push tightly and adhere well. One loop in the middle of reverse leather. The upper clip with a clamp, waiting for dry. Before sewing, use pricking chisel. Punch all holes again. Be sure all holes are unblocked. That's the whole process of making watch straps, from design to sample. This is my second English-speaking video. May my all English be better next time. I'll complete more videos about crafts. Thank you. Watch.